Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Honda YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2016 Honda Jazz EX. This one is the automatic CVT model, the 1.3 i-VTEC petrol. It's finished in tinted silver metallic, this one, so really nice looking vehicle. Being the EX, you get front and rear parking sensors, keyless entry and start, rear tinted windows and so much more. It's a really lovely vehicle, low mileage, and it's got a full service history as well. I'll take you inside the vehicle now. You've got the leather wrapped steering wheel, and as you can see there, it's covered 30,247 miles, which isn't too bad at all. We will of course pop some fuel in before you do take it as well. You've got the center infotainment screen, you've got Bluetooth connectivity for your phone for Bluetooth and also for your calls. Pop it into reverse, you can see the rear camera pops up automatically, another great feature on the vehicle. You have your electronic climate control down here as well, which is easy to use and nice to have. Got your ports. The black and brown cloth is in excellent condition, very good indeed. I'll show you the service history now. So here's your service history. It's been done in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. So it's got a full service history there, which is excellent. The first one's being done at Honda's, then some independent dealers, and then we will also give it a full multi-point inspection through the Honda workshop before you do take it as well, for great peace of mind. This car will also come with 12 months of warranty and roadside assistance as well, for further peace of mind, which is excellent. I'll just show you the boot now and the back magic seats. Being the square shape, the Jazz has got a very good size boot. As you can see, really nice. You can fit a lot in there. Underneath here, you do have your tyre inflation kit and towing eye. You do have the space though to retrofit a space saving spare wheel if you take out the polystyrene, which is great to have should you want to retrofit a spare wheel. You've got the capability to do so. I'll show you the back seats now. We do have a handy handle on the boot as well, just to shut it easily, and it's a nice light tailgate. These are the magic seats at the back. As you can see, they fold completely flat. The bases go into the footwell like so, giving you that flat low bay, which is excellent. Big items, and then also it has another trick which they fold up in the cinema style. It does this on both sides as well, and that gives you that space from floor to ceiling for tall items such as plants. Really handy to have that space, and it means for a small car you have a lot of practicality that you'd normally see in a much bigger vehicle, so that's excellent. All in all then, it's a lovely car. It's in very good condition inside and out. Lovely vehicle. We do have a couple more Jazzes in stock at the moment as well, but they do always tend to go quite quickly. This one is a great vehicle, being low mileage and obviously being automatic as well as a great feature. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership, of course, but we do have an Automart dealership on site where we sell all different makes and models of used vehicle. So even if you don't have a Honda to part exchange, that's absolutely fine. We'll have a look into whatever car it is you've got and get you the best price we possibly can against this beautiful Honda Jazz EX. Thank you for watching this short video. Any questions, give us a call 01539 760 370 and we'll be happy to help. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.